Hi there, good morning. Hope you all are safe and enjoying time with family in the COVID times. I'm praying for everyone. So, in my previous video, we talked about I did exclusive breastfeeding to my twins for the initial 6 months of their life. And I got a lot of queries from women. How did you build up your supply? We are supplementing with formula. So this video is about what did I do to build up the supply, and feed my babies. Before we go in further details of what all I did to, increase my supply, I want you to, remember these 2 points during your whole journey. First, believe. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can produce enough milk for your babies. If nature, your body can produce two babies, your body can produce enough milk for the babies. It's the food for them. So have that belief that you can produce. Don't fall in the trap that you cannot produce enough milk for the babies. Second point, which always helped me, that your body is not a warehouse, it's a factory. As and when baby demands the food, the body will produce the milk for the babies. So keeping these 2 points in your mind, and if you start your journey, you will be able to feed your babies. So we will continue, and we will talk about in detail how did we build up all the supply. First, we'll talk about cluster feeding. So we start with first thing which helped me to build up the supply is cluster feeding. Cluster feeding is a phenomenon when baby is actively or passively sucking onto the mother. It is for hours baby wants to be with the mother, be on the breast to get the milk. So this phenomena is actually very important to build up the supply. In this phenomenon, like baby is telling mother's body, please build on the supply. I want more milk. So if we interfere in the process, it really hinders the supply to the baby. In the initial weeks or 1 month of their life, my baby used to just be with me all the time. I used to walk around in the house with the baby in my hand like this, and let them be actively or passively sucking on me. And I want every woman you know to allow this phenomena. I know we all are tired, we all are having pain because of delivery, but hang in there. It will work out. It will help in the supply, which is very important for the long run of their life or the baby's life. So please allow your baby to cluster feed if baby wants. So we covered about cluster feeding. Now I'm going to cover the word pumping. Pumping is a process where you extract the milk out of the breast, to build the supply. So for me, I started pumping, second day of my delivery, and by fourth day I was actually was able to extract 30 ml per sitting. So I highly recommend, especially mother of twins or triplets, you should buy a pump before delivery, which will help you to build the supply for the twins. Few things which helped me to build my supply while pumping is that you have to pump every couple of hours, especially during the initial 1 month, and then you have to pump at the regular scheduled time. If you are pumping at 8 a.m. one day, you should be pumping around same time next day. You cannot keep on changing the time. Second thing which helped me is that when you are feeding the baby, you have to pump at the same time, because when you are feeding the baby, your hormones are high and you are able to produce more milk. So if you keep pumping that time, you will be making more milk during that time. Third thing which helped me for pumping is that you should not think about how much milk I'm going to produce. Just think that I'm going to produce milk, and your body will produce milk. Be stress free during producing them, during pumping, during producing milk. So I highly recommend, for especially for mother of twins or triplets, or to buy a pump beforehand and help build the supply. Now we are going to cover about demand and supply in the next clip. So what we have learned about supply increase is cluster feeding and pumping. So you can understand that by cluster feeding or by pumping, what we are trying to do, we are trying to create more demand. It's all demand supply game. The more demand you give to the body, the more supply it will have. So when the baby is born, we have latching issue, we have other issues. So we start with formula, and then eventually what happens when the baby cries, when we think baby is hungry and we are not producing enough, we start giving more formula, and more formula we are giving, more and more demand we are reducing, and eventually what happens, we wean off the breast milk as the journey goes on, and we go on the formula milk. But in my case, what I did opposite. We started with formula because of latching issues, but eventually what I did, slowly and slowly, I kept, nursing my babies as and when baby cried. I kept pumping the milk. So slowly and slowly, what happened? My milk supply, mother milk supply, started increasing, and I started weaning off the formula. And in 3 weeks, we just completely weaned off the formula, and they were on the breast milk. So I encourage every mother not to fall in the trap of formula milk. As and when baby cries, when baby needs milk, put the baby on you. Nurse and nurse and nurse. It's all demand supply game, and everything will work out for you. So there are other things like food and diet which I incorporated, and yoga and pranayama, which helped me to build a supply. We are going to cover about the same in the next video. Hope you like this video, and do subscribe to the channel Twin Parenting. Thank you.